So I've just arrived here in Tbilisi. My hotel is in the old town. The hotel is new, but the town is old. But I had absolutely no idea how old this old town really was before I got here. And after coming here, I found out that this city has been destroyed and rebuilt around 29 times. 29 bloody times, man. This reminds me of a certain incident. In my grandfather's village, there was this wall. That wall collapsed. So my grandfather gave someone money to, rebuild that wall. That guy just ran off with the money. After that, well, my grandfather passed away. Then my dad gave money to someone else, thinking, let's fulfill the wish and get the wall built. That guy also ran off with the money. I said, look, the third generation is here now. This wall is never getting built. What will become of this country? I just left. But you've got to hand it to the people of this city. I mean, they just keep on rebuilding. No one is running away from the challenge here, man. In our country, that's just how it goes. So ever since I arrived, the one question on my mind is, what exactly is original here? If this city has been destroyed so many times. So in today's video, we're going to try and find the answer to that very question. So let's start exploring this city together. It's going to be a lot of fun for both you and me. You're going to enjoy it even more, I swear. So sit back, relax, put your feet up on the table, take your clothes off and enjoy this video. Wait, why would you take your clothes off? I don't know why I say such things in excitement. Sorry, keep your clothes on. Enjoy this video. Honestly, I really do not know what kind of nonsense I am talking about here. Hello everyone, so now we've reached the Tbilisi Old Town, and from here you can see that the Old Town actually looks a little bit new, which is kind of surprising. This is the Freedom Square here. It's called Freedom Square because that's what shows up on Google Maps. They say that in November 2006, they signed a peace agreement with Estonia, Ukraine and Romania. So this Freedom Square was built in honor of that. They got their freedom. Congratulations to you all. Now, I really enjoy getting lost in these narrow streets, but I can't quite figure this town out. Sometimes it looks incredibly old, and then suddenly, there are bits that look brand new. There's no consistency at all, man. Why are you even calling this an old town? I just don't get it, brother. They should call it Mixed Town instead. Look at that building in front of us, it looks so beautiful. It's a bit old, but the architecture feels somewhat modern. Do you see what I mean? I think because it's been destroyed and rebuilt 29 times, they've just built new architecture right on top of the ruins. Anyway, I'm having a great time. It gives off a total 80s vibe. Even though I wasn't even born back then, I'm really enjoying this. Alright, this is a Georgian school. Someone has written "Fuck Russia" on the wall over there. So, this is what they teach in schools. Man, it feels like I'm walking through a dream here. An elderly couple is standing on the corner, just chatting away. A dog is taking a human for a walk. It's such a beautiful vibe. Now, this old town is quite beautiful, but there's a lot of construction going on. So I think they're renovating all the buildings that are really old. Soon, I think this old town will basically become a new town. Guys, I just found out something interesting. Listen to this before I forget. Joseph Stalin, the second leader of the Soviet Union who ruled for 29 years, he was born right here in Georgia. Where I'm walking right now, it's about an hour away from the city where he was born. The name of that city is Gori. I mean, I can go and see the hospital where he was born. But anyway, it's not like he's my cousin or anything. But anyway, I found it quite fascinating. Okay, look, like this whole building here, this has all been renovated. This is right in the middle of the old town. So maybe soon they'll turn this whole old town into a new town. Okay, if you can see it from here, that's Mother Teresa sitting there. Standing, sorry. Since this is a Christian country, you'll find churches everywhere. But around 10% of the population is Muslim, so there are mosques here and there too. But there are a lot of churches, obviously. Okay, now I have to go up from here. And looking at the climb, I feel like skipping it. Check out this scene, it's like the buildings you see in postcards, that's the vibe I'm getting here. And there are hotels inside Tbilisi's old town too. You can see different balconies attached. There are balconies in every house here. Man, I find these cobblestone roads so beautiful. And passing through here, I'm heading to Narikala Fortress. I kept calling it Marinara Fortress all morning. A local guy slapped me, looked at my fat face and said, "Bro, this isn't an Italian restaurant, stop ordering pizza in your head." Fair enough. So guys, off to Narikala Fortress. Alright, look at this. Even before the climb to the fortress, the views are starting. What a beautiful atmosphere it's becoming, man. Okay, there are cathedrals all over the place here. Right ahead is St. George's Cathedral. Okay then, we have to go there, and it's a long, tough path. Man, it's a long and difficult climb. But seeing this fortress is a must because it was built in the 4th century. After all that climbing, we've reached the fortress. Reached the fortress only to find out there's more climbing. Well, we've reached the fortress and I'm totally exhausted. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about Narikala Fortress. This fortress is around 1700 years old. Many earthquakes happened here, many wars, a lot of destruction. But this fortress still stands here today, since then. You can see the views from the fortress. You can see all of Tbilisi from here. Basically, in the old days, it used to be the royal residence of the king and queen. That's why this fortress was built on quite high ground for protection. And in that era, a church was also built within the royal residence. So you can see the church from back then too. This church you're seeing, they completely reconstructed it in the 1990s. But its foundation is still 1700 years old. I'm going up these stairs. Whoa, brother, if you can't see it clearly, these are definitely the stairs. You might actually break a leg coming down, but these are the stairs, right here. And they've provided great protection here. They've put up a railing in their own way. They say, hold on to this. But it's so hot that my hand is turning into a naan bread holding it. We have to go here, right here. See this right here? We're going to go up and conquer this fortress. Okay, be careful on the last step here, because people often break their legs here. And then, I don't know what got into me, but I said, man, I have to go to the very top of this fortress. I have to conquer this, man. Am I Genghis Khan? I don't know what gets into me sometimes. So, look at this path. See where I'm going. I could have died here. Look at this. There's no side railing here. Nothing at all. One wrong step and I would probably land in heavens. Are you really kidding me? Can you please push me up just a little bit? Whoa. I've brought the Pakistani flag and we're going to plant it right here. Alright, now I've reached the very top of the fortress. And sitting here, let me explain why this fortress existed, why it's so significant. First of all, look at the location of Tbilisi. Tbilisi was located right in the center of the ancient Silk Road trade route. So obviously whoever controlled this fortress taxed the caravans passing through. So it was a very profitable region. That's why this fortress was historically very important. Wait, you know what I'm thinking? That was the cable car. If we had taken the cable car from there, we might have reached here and then had to go down. I'm such a fool, man. First I'm coming up, then I'll go down. I've lost my mind. Coming to Narikala Fortress, I found the answer to why this area was destroyed and rebuilt so many times. Because there were many wars here. Everyone wanted to control this region so they could tax the trade coming from the Silk Road to make money. It's all about the money, my friend. Alright then. From here, I feel like jumping so I can reach the bottom. I am really tired now. Plus, I didn't even bring any water up here. See that road down there? That's where I started climbing up. I don't know if anyone else has done this, but we've climbed all the way to the top. We've reached the cross. Look at this. Even the cable car doesn't go where we've reached. Actually, we weren't even allowed to come here. I don't know how we made it. Okay, so I found a fellow tourist to go down with. We're heading down together. So in case one of us dies, the other can carry the body back. So that's the agreement we made here. That's why we've also put our flag here. The Great Georgian Treaty. Be careful, brother. Please be careful. I really mean it. Be careful, okay? Fast forward this part. Look, one wrong step here and you're gone. That's why we were descending very carefully here. Ah, man. I am sweating like a pig. Okay, I'll go first here, alright? So, in case you fall down or slip, I'll be right here to catch you, don't worry. Just be careful here, take your time, and watch your step, okay? Alright, I'm halfway down now, and I was up there, right there. That's where I conquered everything. And now we're here, and we still have to go further down. And how? I don't know, I am exhausted. But I hope you enjoyed this journey. Alright guys, that's it for the fortress for me. Because I'm exhausted, the batteries are dead, and I can't see anything or understand anything, and I'm extremely thirsty. I'll have to find some water around here. I brought water, but I finished it on the way up. So by the time the hard work at the top was done, there was no water left. Alright, God bless. See you in the next video. Okay, bye-bye. Goodbye. Take care of yourself, take care of your kids. Take care of your kids' kids. Take care of your kids' kids' kids. And take care of their kids. Okay, bye-bye.